Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I would like to talk about my eye disease. It started in early childhood when I was 10 years old. My eyesight began to deteriorate rapidly. The reason for this was unknown. Initially, my eyesight was 1.0 or 100% in both eyes. Quickly, within a year, it dropped from 1.0 to 0.7. In the beginning, doctors diagnosed hyperopia, farsightedness, then myopia, nearsightedness. Then eyesight began to fall even more. My family was worried about this and I have been to many eye medical institutions. No one could give me an accurate diagnosis. I studied until the 5th grade in a regular public school, where everyone studies. After the 5th grade, I went to a school for blind and visually impaired children. I started attending a class for visually impaired children, but I failed there. Eyesight deteriorated rapidly. I couldn't be diagnosed. Then I was already in a class for blind children. After that my disease took an inactive form. That is, my eyesight was not deteriorating as rapidly as before. Perhaps it was due to the end of a sports career and supportive therapy has helped, who knows. But after graduating from school, my eyesight began to fall even faster. Only 12 years later, from the moment my eyesight began to deteriorate, finally, I was given a preliminary diagnosis of retinitis pigmentosa, retinal abiotrophy. The etiology of my disease is still unknown, whether it is a genetic disease or a sports injury, as I have been professionally involved in sports since early childhood until recently. Doctors still find it difficult to answer this question, a very complex disease, and still, no one knows how to cure it. I sent my epicrisis clinical report to countries such as Israel, Germany, and Canada. But as it turned out, even there, this disease is not treated. I also did support therapy, vitamins, electrophoresis, and electrical stimulation. How much this all helped, I find difficult to answer. It may have been supported for some time. Most likely, because of this, my eyesight fell more slowly. I also had surgery on both eyes using implants. No good result. So, a few words about how my eyesight has fallen over the past 25 years. Previously, the eyesight was 1.0, peripheral vision or visual fields were even, and there were no deviations. Now I can't see at all. There is photophobia. I would say I see only light and shadow. And finally, to tell everyone, do not give up. Keep in touch with friends and family, and find yourself by doing sports, creativity, work, learning languages, and so on. There are a lot of options. Do not focus on your problems and your illnesses. Believe in yourself. Take care, peace, and love.